Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another very special video. This time I have bought BBR models, and this is a Pagani Utopia in Dubai red, and you can see the detailings right when I'll unbox it. It's too good, it's damn good. So these are like scale is 1 by 64, and BBR models, right, they are the sub brands of Mini GT. So you can see the licensing, it's a Pagani official licensed product, right? And this is my first time buying a BBR model. I bought this from Cars and Dolls. So let's unbox it and see guys how it is from inside, right? Let me just carefully open it. It's very hard to open. Seems like the plastic is hard, right? It's not normal plastic. So that is good. Like it's protecting the car and all, right? Yeah, we have opened it, and the box seems very nice, right? It's hard card box. You can see the BBR engraving over here, and the licensing and all the stuff going on here. The back side, right? Let's open it. My god, look at that red color, guys. It's pretty heavy in my hand, pretty heavy. My hands are shaking. It's absolute beauty, guys. Look at the detailing over there. Oh my god, this is my first time I'm buying a BBR model. I have a lot of other models, but the first time I have this BBR. And look at it, guys, look at it, how good it is. The interior, the front, overall the car feels like heaven in hands, and pretty solid heavy. If you just throw it, it will break someone's head. Not head, it just gives some scratches. Not that heavy also, but yeah, pretty heavy. Okay, and we'll see from the front. I'll show you. Beautiful Dubai red color, and giving justice from all the angles, if you ask me, right? Let me zoom in for you guys so you can see the better, you can get a better view of it. And let me get this knife also. You can see the carbon fiber detailing over here, right? The headlights are too good. They are acrylics only over there. And look at the minor detailing over this dashboard over here. How good it is. The steering wheel also. See, steering wheel, silver painted. Seats are painted. These are plastics. This side. And the mirrors, you can see the mirrors detailing also, right? This is the engine bay. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is the engine bay over here. The interior is absolutely good, and look at the precise they have made it, right? The precision and all that goes into it. And see, let's see how the tire rolls. Not that smooth, but pretty well, pretty well. We'll see the back now. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the tail lights, the exhaust, the Pagani written over there, carbon fiber detailing on the Pagani logo itself. Too good, man. I have seen some people have complaints with the tail lights for this model, right? So they get fallen off. So you have to be very careful while purchasing the car, right? Each and everything of this car is very delicate. So you have to be very careful. Look at the curves, guys. Look at the curves and all, right? How it goes from there. It's too good. And look at the base. It's made in China. BBR metal only, rubber tires, metal body, all things are metal, and that goes well, very well, right? And that's all for this beauty, guys. And we will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.